until this is May earlier this year. This was the all-time high. It looks like about give or take about 4 zeros, 3 8, fluctuating, give or take, possibly 4. So that was his all-time high. And of course, people were like Brush was saying, they were buying in up here because they see green and they're like, yeah, it's going to keep going up. And now it doesn't work like that, and that's what happens. And they buy up here. And then if they're not patient enough to wait from May all the way to October, another 5 months. This is what we talked about patience in part 1. You ain't got patience when you buy high, then you're going to sell, like Brush said, low, and then you're going to be mad and you're going to say, no, investing doesn't work. I tried that.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And you're going to blame something that you knew for a fact that you didn't have full knowledge of, you know what I'm saying? And you just had, you got the results that you were supposed to get 9 times out of 10.
Exactly.
You didn't know what you were doing.
Some people that really never really manage their money, never really put a budget out for themselves. Like, all right, cool. Like they want that quick flip. They want the quick flip. They don't, they got high expectations and, unrealistic expectations, my fault.
We have delusional. Yes. We definitely have that delusion when it comes to money and like what we want to do with it and how fast we can get it, things like that. If we bust down to, like I say, a day chart right here, like I say, we still got the all-time high back here, but it's just working its way up. It's working its way up. So, if we just take this example from here to here, and I was just asking, if I was asking a person like, hey, like, is this going up? You should be able to say, yeah. That's not something I have to teach you. Your eyes see up, your eyes see down. Like, you know what I'm saying? You can recognize that. Investing is the easiest thing in the world to do. That's why they don't want us to do it. Like, who's going to work if everybody can recognize when something's going up, put their money in, and then recognize when something's going down, take their money out. Like, bro, that's all it is. Everything else is just in between, like straight up. Like, to be totally honest with you, is definitely in between. And we just took the simplicity of what's going on in the different candles that we're seeing. Like, well, okay, how do I know when it's going up? I mean, obviously, when you start seeing a row of green candles. How do I know when it's going down? Like, you start seeing a row of red candles. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not, in a sense, like hard. It's just because there's money based behind it. And there's hard working money based behind it. That's what it also is.
Exactly.
It puts a level of pressure and stress and fear on it that's not really there. It's just you just put it on there just because of what you are wagering on this investment.
Yep.
So, but go ahead, Bryce. I want to let you, get something in, man. I feel like I'm talking too much.
Oh, no, you good, man. You cooking, man. I let them cook, man. I let people cook, man. It's necessary.
Yeah. So, but no, definitely, like I say, it's definitely looking good. We had a couple of little days right here red, and that's because we had a couple of days of nothing but green. But the good thing is,
the balance,
right? Like, if you start getting green from here to here, and you start getting red from here to here, I know in a sense you're like, how is that okay? Because that's what the market's gonna do. You can't stop it. You can't predict it. Unless you're an institution that's sitting on the sideline with billions of dollars, always ready and willing to affect the price of something, you're not gonna move the needle like that. And what's gonna happen is the needle is gonna get moved by the institutions who make that money and pushed it up like this. You know what I'm saying? Like, this got pushed up here. Just to, like you say, get people in. And once they get in up here, now the institutions finna get out. And when the institutions get out, those are normally the longer candles.
And it was a coin they recently just added on crypto.com. I think it's Elon Mars or something. It's an Elon's coin, I believe. It's kind of like,
yeah.
and I seen it went up like a couple, like 1,000,000%. Like again, I
Right.
think in the ticker for that is Elon. I don't. Yeah, like I seen that on crypto.com. Like,
Yeah.
oh, dang, it boomed. It kind of
Go ahead, bro.
shot up just like right after Shiba did. It's kind of crazy.
And the thing I want to touch on with them new coins that's doing that, I don't want new investors, especially new investors, maybe an experienced one because they'll understand it. A new investor see that and be like, damn, everybody just 10,000% of their money. It's not enough money for everybody to pull that out. You know what I mean?
Right.
So a lot of people got, sorry to say, a lot of people got fucked. You know what I mean? Like it looked good on the chart and the percentages look good, but you talk about a coin that just got created within 16 hours or 5 hours, got enough market capitalization for everybody, liquidity to get out of that? Nah. The people who sold at the top got out, you know what I mean?
Yep.
Like I remember coming into this space, I ain't understand when people was like, oh yeah, my account say it's worth $100,000, but when I cash out, it's only gonna be $700, $800, because there's no liquidity to get all that out of there. You know what I mean? It looked good on paper. A lot of this crypto money is paper. It's on paper. It's just in the air. You know what I mean? It's no dollar accounted for it. There's no dollar bill accounted for it. That's why I'm like, I want people to understand if this is going to be the new space we in, why are you trying to quickly get out of it for the old space we came out of, which is the dollar bill? You know what I mean?
That's too like, deep. Hold on, bro. You got to really unpack that statement, bro. That's a deep statement. People are getting into new money to sell it to get old money.
The old money.
As if like there isn't a reason they're creating new money.
Exactly.
But you know,
it's the reason. You know what I mean? So it's like, yes, use your investments, of course, to live this life that they placed us in, that we ultimately got to take money right now to, you know what I mean, perish through it. But at the end of the day, it's like, don't get out of these good projects. I don't call them coins. They projects. These is projects. A lot of these is projects. That's what you want to be in. A V-chain, a XRP. That's a project. You know what I mean? That's a use case. That's all that type of stuff. So definitely try to stay into those. Just plant. It's like planting a tree. You know what I mean? You plant a tree, watch it grow. You take your fruit off of it. You don't cut the whole tree down.
No.
You know what I mean? You just take the apples off of it and wait till more apples, harvest again. You know what I mean? So it's like,
I've been saying good things about Loner. I think Loner, and also and then Infinite. I think Axie Infinite or something like that.
Axie Infinity.
Infinity.
That's in the play to earn space. Anything in that play to earn space is hot right now. Play to earn and metaverse is hot right now. DeFi hot right now.
I put $1 in there. I didn't put $1. I put 100 in there. It's like, all right, cool. And the next day, oh shoot, it's 1,000 now. This is crazy. It's like, well, it's like, I was just playing.
Yeah, but that's the thing. It's like it's this space is a very humbling but keeps you hungry space. I say humbling and hungry, meaning like you can have this data where like I just put 100 down and I just got $100. Some people have days to where they have $10,000 days. Some people have $100,000 day. You know what I'm saying? Like you can have that particular type of day. Like it's your day. It's running up that day, and you're already in it from the beginning, like we were talking about earlier.
That's
being patient, right? You know what I'm saying?
Glad you touched back on that subject, because why these, just like my brother just showed y'all, where you get your research from, where you know about these coins from, coin market cap. And if you go to coin market cap, you can go to sectors, which is going to show you all the different sectors of crypto. You know what I mean? Play to earn, NFT. Just click on the coin market cap. No, just click on the coin market cap. There you go. Now down there on the top of, like, scroll down. Yep, right there. Them categories. Go on sectors.
Sectors. Is it
they already got yours broken down in categories. Play to earn, NFT.
Oh, okay,
Polkadot. See, like that. So Actually, the app would be better to show them on. I don't know if I can pull my app up real quick.
Oh yeah, just so they can go through the function of seeing how it looks.
But they can see because they break it down a little bit different. They break it down in storage. Let me.
Yeah, I just hit to play the earn right here.
Oh yeah, neighborhood Alice. Oh, that's crazy. ILV is crazy too. Like yeah, and of course Sandbox. That been jumping too.
It's a way I can share my screen for 1 second, or you can show it on your phone. You got the app on your phone, bro?
I do have the app on my phone.
Oh, I'm on my phone on here though. I share because I'm on my.
Okay, yeah. I'm finna stop. Hold on. Okay, there we go.
Just because the phone, you know what I mean, simplify it a little bit more easier. When
right, no. I like it on the phone and I like it on the app though.
Oh, I love it on the computer. I just started using it on the computer. It's just that I don't know how to find that area on the computer. That might be what it is because I'm so used to the phone.
What you looking for? What's the name of it so I can find it also?
It's Coin Market Cap. It's just the way they break it down that you can see the different sectors.
The difference. Is it categories?
Yeah. Go into you see my screen? Because I'm bringing it up.
We can see it.
All right, on the top, you see how I say exchange sectors? If you click on sectors, it'll show you actually what sector is up and what sector is down. That's how I even found, that's how I even got in my group. I put it in a round table too also. I called out Decentraland and Sandbox at $1. And that's because I seen all the money was in the BSC ecosystem and everything else was failing. And then at the same time, Mark Zuckerberg just talked about metaverse. And I'm like, why these ones ain't running? Why NFT collectibles? Why play to earn ain't running? You know what I mean? And you break it down and break down each one that's in that set, the Decentraland, the Sandbox, and you can see they in the top.
That's crazy. I got to find out what that, because I don't even have the word sector from my knowledge. I don't even see it on my screen.
Yeah. You ain't got this on the top? The crypto assets, exchange, and sectors?
I don't see sectors.
When you go to
did you go to this little one right here, this middle one? I mean,
the next to the home screen, the charts. Yeah.
Well, on my phone, yes, but I'm talking about on the desktop.
Oh yeah, desktop. See, that's why I brought it to a phone. I don't understand why But the thing, if you notice, look on your phone. Look on the desktop right now. They saying exactly this. They say Polkadot ecosystem, NFT collectibles, play to earn. They just ain't got broken down like this. That's more.
It's almost like you say, NFT form, almost like.
Yeah.
You know?
This like more convenient because I could just scroll down and be like, all right, Solana got some money moving today. BSC ecosystem down today. DeFi down today. And them red days is what?
Oh, okay.
So how many? We know exactly what sector to go shopping in. Because that's the down day. You know what I mean? We ain't worrying about the ones that's running because we already got a good position in it. Yeah, we might look every now and then to see what our bag look like, but when stuff running, I really don't even look at my account no more. I want to know the down days so I can go shopping. You know what I mean?
Right, because if you do the research, if you go to CoinMarketCap, if you let's say get into Twitter, go on YouTube, of course, go on Google, you know what I'm saying? Like really, really read the white papers, you know what I'm saying, for these projects. If from your own common sense, if you feel like, damn, this is a good, you know what I'm saying, project or a good coin or a good token, I'm gonna get in this. You're not worried about whether or not if it's a good one and is it fluctuating on an upward trend. You know what I'm saying? You just want to worry about like my brother say, hey, it's red today. Oh, let me buy some more because this is a good asset. And you want to constantly you want to compound. You want to compound invest also. You want to keep investing. A lot of us don't have, I would say realistically, $10,000 to $20,000 on some real good investments, being patient for 3 years or so and letting that 10 to 50 or so sit, and you've been making good investments, you can definitely reach $1 million in the stock market.
Exactly. Z Chain. Oh man, I've been checking out, projections and all that. 2030 projections is crazy. Yeah.
Oh, what this is, Miss right here?
I got this yesterday.
Yes. Okay.
I ain't call it out in my little GOAT Talk group because I ain't iffy about it, but I ain't 100%. You know what I mean?
Right. But you did see, we should talk about that also. If you look at the pattern, you did see the pattern in formation of like, okay, boom, yeah, there's definitely a bullish pattern right here. Exactly. And it's definitely about to go up. Let me make some money.
Exactly.
That's the next, that's the other thing is like, okay, boom, once you get real deep into charting and going through all the different patterns, there's so many different patterns, but a lot of them are very similar. And the good thing is to come into this entire space, I always tell everybody, like everything in this space, if you're trying to figure out what it is, what it's trying to do, you know what I'm saying? What is its purpose? Always understand the only thing in this space something can do is either go up or go down or stay neutral, trade sideways. So if you're trying to figure out what that button does or what this particular function, at the end of the day, it's there to tell you whether or not something's going up or going down or staying neutral, or should you buy or should you sell or should you hold? And then like, to simplify it, like don't, you know what I'm saying? Like it's not that hard.
And then for the beginners, you know, on the you mentioned the sell part, you know, they get scared. Hey, I think it's going down. Think about to lose some money. All right, what are you mentioned stable coins and like stable coins? Like, yeah, all right, it's some trusts that don't move. Like I didn't even, you got me hip to that. Yeah, like it's some trusts.
Oh yeah, like it's. I wish they had stable coins. That's like, where that's the coins to where like they pretty much stay around $1.99 or 101. That they pretty much fluctuate to that, no more. So they can be quote unquote stable coins. You know what I'm saying? Their price is stable. So
and that's the best coins to dump in if you feel like you're about to lose.
I mean, yeah, that's definitely not a bad strategy as far as like to keep your value of your money at a certain height, basically. You know what I'm saying? You can definitely get it in there. And it's no different in a sense than the cryptocurrency. Is just one that doesn't really fluctuate as far as value going up. Now, if you go on